my prized Canary Island date palm. I had put 3 of them in 1983. They were in little 6-inch containers. They had like maybe 3 fronds, 4 fronds at the most. That were like maybe 8 inches long. This one and one out in the rear of the house, doing well. The third one, a woodpecker took out about 4 or 5 years ago. He started getting right up there where the Boston Fern is and started pecking away right below it. And he was done, a squirrel came along and finished the job. Went right through to the core. And he just died out. This one is doing fine. I hit him with manganese once a year to get rid of the yellow wing, which is kind of normal for these. They're deficient. And I leave the Boston Fern. I'm going to hang dendrobiums right below the Boston Fern. I'm just going to send a belly strap around that trunk and just hang a bunch of common dendrobium phals. You know, the ones you buy along the side of the road down here in Florida. Just hang them up and they should do well up there. Alright, take care. Enjoy. Ciao.